The number one problem I see the small businesses make in order to sell their AI powered solutions to other businesses is that they're trying to directly sell AI. AI chatbots, AI conversation system, AI image creation, AI responses. Guess what? Small businesses do not wake up in the morning thinking about, hey, I need an AI chatbot, or I need an AI, receptionist, or I need an AI image generation tool. I really do not need all of this. What I need as a small business owner is a solution to my daily problem that I'm facing in my everyday life. And that's exactly what you need to understand in order to pitch your solution as the solution for their pain points. This is exactly what we're going to cover in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end, because this is going to be super informative and I'm going to share with you exactly how you can achieve the results that we're talking about. So here, the local businesses do not want AI, right? It's super clear because they have been bombarded with the term AI. And guess what? A lot of people have now started hating this solution. But what you can do is try to understand their pain problems, which I've already listed here, so that you can use AI as a powered mechanism in order to help them grow your business. What exactly is a small business are looking for as the first thing we need to understand. The most important is that they are thinking about how they can increase their calls, how they can increase their follow-up responses to their leads, how they can get them more appointment booked to the calendar, how they can collect more reviews, testimonials, so they can increase their credibility on the internet, how they can, recover more revenue from the already present leads. These are the kind of solutions that you can provide to the pain point that people are facing. And of course, you can use AI powered solutions in order to ensure that you get the best results. But if you try to pitch and sell AI as the all-in-one tool or all-in-one offer that you have to these businesses, they are going to get scared, and in many cases they will not even listen to you because of the same exact buzzword that's happening again and again. So that's exactly what we're going to focus here, because I want to share with you these top 5 AI services that you can provide as a total solution with these small businesses. The first one here is the mixed call is mixed revenue, because here we are going to use the service one, which is our AI receptionist. Now, here's the problem, right? Calls go unanswered. If you have a business, a small business, you're probably busy with your work. You do not have time in order to receive all the calls that come in your way. Now, let me tell you one thing. These calls are super important because these are inbound calls. People have an urgency. They are taking effort in order to call you. But if you cannot, pick up the call, answer the queries, and help with the solution immediately, you will lose that particular client, because they are not going to stop with you when they do not get an answer. They're going to go to the next person and then the next person, and so and so, in order to ensure that they get the help required for their problem. So this is what you can do as an AI receptionist, is that once you deploy it on their phone number, the moment somebody calls it, and since it's an AI, it's going to be available for 24/7 and even after the office hours. So this qualifies for 24/7 booking, right? So if somebody calls it, this is going to ensure that it asks the right set of questions so that it can qualify the lead as your potential customer, and then schedule their requirements, their problems into your booking calendar at a specific date, time, to ensure that you have a calendar filled with appointment to close these deals. It's super important because the AI receptionist can answer the call. You do not have to. So literally never a call get missed. It can qualify that particular lead to ensure that it's the right fit for your business, and then it also can book it inside your calendar to ensure that when you come tomorrow to office, you have a packed calendar, all of these appointments which get booked by your AI receptionist, and none of you have to literally work and do the manual tasks. Rather, you can focus on the essentials of closing the deal and giving good service to the customers. Now, this is exactly what you need to be focusing on. And guess what? Whether it's doctors, roofers, or any kind of small business, med spas, right? Any kind of small business that has a lot of inbound lead flow, this could be a great solution. The service number 2 is again very important, because the moment somebody calls your system, the AI receptionist books it, but guess what? You need to nurture it to ensure that they are interested in still what you have to offer. If not, guess what? The lead becomes cold, and the moment the lead becomes cold, it is not interested in what you have to offer. So even though you reach out, people are not going to qualify and give you the deal. And that's exactly the reason why AI lead follow-up system with a conversion AI bot at the back end is super important. Here's the problem. Your lead comes in, the follow-up is too slow, people forget about who you are and why they even gave their details to you. You are burning your advertisement budget, and because of all of these issues, you're not able to hit your goals and targets for the month, increasing your revenue. So what you have to offer in this particular solution is you have to offer this AI lead follow-up system, which instead AI follow-up that turns inquiries into book appointments. You can use a mixture of appointment booking lead generation systems, which is your automated systems available, as well as you can use the conversion AI bot in order for anybody to have any questions when they respond back via SMS, email, or on your website. This AI follow-up lead system is going to answer them based on the knowledge that it has. Now, this is an AI lead follow-up system that you need to create in order to ensure that no lead gets cold and every lead has the potential to qualify to be a potential client and hence bring in active revenue. Now, that's exactly what you need to do with this service too. Now, for service 3 here is an AI lead reactivation system. Now, this is super important because a lot of these small businesses might have a lot of leads that have gone cold, are non-responsive, and guess what, they still might have some problems going on in their life, in their business, but you are not there and you're not there in the top of their mind in order for them to reach out to you and ask for a solution. That's exactly when you have to reactivate the list that you have created for your own business in order to ensure that you can give them some bonuses, some offers, solutions, so that they can take up that with their own hands and become your customer. So the problem is that the past lead sits idle in your CRM. They do nothing literally. They collect dust. And guess what? There might be hundreds of thousands of potential opportunities that you are missing out because you couldn't reach out to them. And this is the reason why AI will do it in a much better, faster, easier, and simpler way. The AI reactivates the old opportunities by sending custom emails, custom SMS, and custom follow-up systems in order to provide solutions, offers, deals that they might be interested in, which would in turn help them reach out to us in order to book a call in their calendar, and then they can close the deal. So this offer is very simple. Your AI reactivates all opportunities and turns dead leads into real new conversations. They recover revenue already in the database. So these leads were already present, but you just have to use the AI to reactivate them to get some of these people into the job book. So recover revenue already in the database. Now, the service 4 is super important, which is the AI review system. Now, guess what? You've already completed your project. You have, given a really good service. But then if you do not have a system in order to collect the best quality reviews possible, then you are going to lose this game, because the more the number of reviews, the more is going to be the credibility, authority in your niche in order to get the best quality inflow of leads. So the problem is that happy customer leave quietly, do not leave a review. And here the AI review system is going to follow up and ask in order to share a review for your business so that you can use it as part of your promotional activities. So automated review requests plus AI powered review responses. If somebody gives a review in the Google My Business, then guess what? This AI review system is going to respond to that in order to ensure that you are active, you are credible, and then you take care of every single positive influence that you have on the review system. The fifth service that I really like, and is probably one of the best solutions that I always prefer, is AI website plus conversation system. Now, this is super important because a website is not the goal. The problem here is that most website looks good but do not convert. They don't have any conversion system. They do not have any funnel structure flow, and that's exactly where your offer comes in. Your offer is an AI-powered website connected to your CRM, booking follow-up, and automations. It's not just a website, it's a customer acquisition system that you are going to use and create in order to ensure that you can grab all of those interested, warm, lukewarm leads, and then you can convert them into booked and paying clients for your own business. This is exactly what you need to do for the Service 5. Now, here's the thing. The real packaging shift that you have to create, you do not have to go into a scenario where you say that, hey, I'll build you AI chatbots for your business. Guess what? AI chatbots was so 2020. Nobody wants to have an AI chatbot now. What people want to have is they want to help you, help them capture you leads, follow-up books, and recovery more leads automatically. So for this, you need to ensure that you bring in the complete AI system where you can take your leads, nurture them, book them, and then close them as well, right? So the simple rule is that find the revenue leak and then sell the system that fixes. Of course, for this, going to use high level. High level has been one of the most robust AI powered CRM solution that I've been using for the last 5 years in order to grow my business as well as the business of hundreds of clients that I have worked in 12 plus countries. No matter which country you are in, if you could have a high level account, guess what? You can create solution for all these problems that I just showed you. So missed calls, slow follow up, dead leads, weak reviews, and poor website conversion, all of that under one roof. And the best part is that high level makes this possible. One connected system, you have AI voice, AI chat, CRM, calendars, workflows, reviews, websites, and automated follow ups. All of that is what I provide. And guess what? I'm quickly going to show it to you exactly this high level system. Now, this is the high level one here. High level is providing is multiple solutions and AI powered services for absolutely free for the first few months. If you are lucky enough, you can get, guess what? This AI powered solutions for absolutely free. And guess what? This is only a 14-day trial. But if you sign up with my link, which is there in the description box, you are going to get a 30-day free trial. Not just that, along with this, you get access to my free community that you see here. And we already have approximately 219 members available online. Not just that, you also get access to my premium community the moment you sign up with the 30-day free trial. Here, we help you with every setup that possible inside your account. Not just that, we also give you training. For example, you have your high level account setup training, this complete set of tutorials that I have been creating and uploading inside my premium community to ensure that all my paid members of high level get the best ever experience, as well as they get the snapshot which comes with your AI powered website. Here we also teach you about conversation AI bot agents, which again super important because this is what you need in order to follow up with your leads, whether it's website, whether it's SMS, whether it's email. Notice that I'm also going to give you premium AI studio templates that you can use for your own business. And guess what? These are mind-boggling. I'm also going to show it to you how can you use the AI prompts in order to ensure that you make the best use case for your AI-powered solution inside high level. You get multiple premium snapshots that I have custom built and designed from my last 5 years of experience working with these many clients inside the marketing agency, SaaS snapshot, real estate master snapshot, and home service contractor snapshot. This is not yet because every single week we are hosting sessions at 12 p.m. Eastern time in order to ensure that we help you with all kinds of support, solution, and Q&A that you might have. Now, this is the kind of solution that we showcase to our people because if you have the zeal in order to grow your business, we are here to support you. Click on the link below and sign up with High Level now, as well as join our free community here. The link is in the description box. Let me show it to you. The last thing here, which is super important so that you can get a better understanding. Now, these are the exact things that you are going to get when you sign up with High Level with me. First of all, you already are getting an access to my free community. So even if you have a high level account, you can still join my free community, but it's available for the first 500 members only. After that, it becomes a paid community. But for now, you have the opportunity to block it for the entire lifetime. Now we have the premium high level of community, and this is exactly where the fun begins because this is where I spend most of my time, resources, and money in order to help the best possible way to our premium community members. So you get $11,674 worth of high-level bonus stack. You get our premium community access that I just showed it to you. You get a one-on-one onboarding call opportunity directly with me where I guide you, teach you, train you about your strategy, which you need to do for the next coming few months. We also help you with weekly mentor coaching, which I just showed you, and implementation support calls. We also have high-level mastery courses and training that I just showed it to you. We have 20 plus niches and business resources that include 10 plus snapshot that we're currently working on. I also showed you the snapshot and the rest is already in work in progress. We also show you client acquisition strategies and AI business growth guidance. Guess what? Everything here is available with a risk-free guarantee because you get a 30-day free trial and access to all premium resources inside my community. Nothing could be better than this because guess what? I have built this with my experience of last 5 years and I have been one of the best OGs out there in order to grow high level. So if you are there in order to do it, click on the link below, leave me a comment and join my community. I'll be looking forward to help you and work with you.